What is book in Korean? The Korean term for book is 책. Again, it's 책. This is pronounced with just one syllable, which is 책 itself. Again, remember, the Korean term for book is 책. How do you write 책 in Hangul? First, we need to draw a tiyut character or the ch character in Korean, followed by the e character, followed by the giat or the k character in Korean. And then you just have to combine these characters to form the hangul of the word 책. And with that, you already know what is book in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.